Hi, on this last episode of the data manipulation series, I will show how to join data in R. So I have prepared two data frames. The first one has a few countries and their population in millions, and the second one has a subset of these countries and the corresponding continent. So if we want to join these two data frames, we have several options. We have the common joining functions like inner join, left join, right join, and full join. These will return the columns of X and the columns of Y. And the difference is that inner join will return only the rows that match between X and Y. Left join will return all the rows of X, right join all the rows of Y, and full join all the rows. And then we have semi-join, which is a filtering join that will return only the columns of X. So let's have a look how this works in practice. So we have inner join, then the first data frame pop, the second data frame count, and then by, and then within quotes the name of the column that has the ID, so in this case country. And we see that we have obtained a data frame with 3 rows, which are the ones that match between X and Y. Now let's try left join. So here we have a data frame with 5 rows, so all the rows of X and all the columns. And we see that we have introduced some NAs where there is no match between like continent and country. And we can do right join. Here we have all the rows of Y, and finally we can do full join, and we have all the rows of X and Y and all the columns. So finally we can do semi-join. This is a filtering join, so it only returns the columns of X and the rows that match between X and Y. So it's useful to understand what we would match. This video concludes the data manipulation series. I think that we have created a pretty nice foundation for data manipulation in R, and I want to build on this with some videos about statistics. So if you're interested in ANOVA or regression or machine learning or variable selection in R, subscribe to the channel to see the next videos.